Hi, and welcome to AI Real Highlights. I'm your host, David. Let's dive in, shall we? Today, we're shining a light on something vitally important for many homeowners and businesses: asbestos removal in Newcastle, specifically serving Birmingham gardens. We're talking about safe, reliable, and efficient services. Asbestos Removal Newcastle provides professional, compliant services tailored for both residential and commercial clients right here in Birmingham Gardens, NSW. Our fully licensed and certified team puts safety first, strictly adhering to all local regulations to ensure asbestos is removed and disposed of responsibly. Whether it's homes, schools, or industrial sites, we offer quick, efficient, and thorough solutions that minimize disruption. Our local expertise helps us recognize Newcastle's unique asbestos risks, allowing us to safeguard your family and environment with tailored approaches. Now, let's tackle some frequently asked questions, because understanding asbestos is the first step to peace of mind. What exactly is asbestos, and why is it so dangerous? It's a group of naturally occurring minerals, once common in building materials. It becomes dangerous when damaged, releasing tiny fibers that, if inhaled, can lead to serious health issues like lung cancer and asbestosis. That's why professional, safe removal is non-negotiable. How do you know if it's in your property? If your home or building was constructed before the 1990s, asbestos could be present in materials like insulation, roofing, or flooring. Always get a qualified professional to inspect and test. So, what's the process for removal? We start with a thorough inspection. Once confirmed, we develop a comprehensive removal plan, using specialized equipment and techniques for safe collection and disposal, minimizing risks to you. We aim to minimize disruption. Our team seals off the work area efficiently. You might have heard theories that say DIY asbestos removal can save you money, but let me tell you, the risks far outweigh any potential savings. Leaving it to certified professionals guarantees not only compliance with safety regulations, but also safeguards your health and the well-being of those around you. When it comes to asbestos removal, your well-being is our top priority. Asbestos, once praised, is now infamous for serious health risks. You deserve a safe environment, and that's why professional removal isn't just a service, it's a requirement. Our fully licensed and certified professionals take all precautionary measures seriously, minimizing potential health hazards. We protective gear, seal off the work area with proper containment systems, and dispose of all hazardous materials at licensed facilities. This protects not only your health, but the safety of the entire community, allowing you to breathe easy. Ultimately, removing asbestos safely from your property eliminates hazardous materials and the associated risks of diseases like mesothelioma and lung cancer. It's an essential step in protecting yourself, your family, and anyone on your property, guaranteeing peace of mind. Investing in asbestos removal doesn't just safeguard your health, it also significantly increases your property value. Potential buyers are more inclined to make an offer when a property is asbestos-free, often at a higher price. By addressing this vital health concern up front, you improve your property's marketability and appeal. Furthermore, removing asbestos now prevents costly repairs down the road. So, if you suspect asbestos, don't wait. Breathe easy. Your safety's our priority. Reach out today for a free consultation and let our asbestos removal team handle your concerns safely and efficiently. Remember, for property advice, book a call with our team. Thanks for tuning in to AI